Hello guys, welcome back. Today we discuss about trending products to sell on Shopify. Here are some of the top most trending and profitable trending products on Shopify that can give you some inspiration and insight. Number one is travel accessories. People around the world indulge in traveling at least once a year. There are large numbers of people who travel to other cities and destinations for business and or layers travel bags, inflatable neck pillows, travel wallets, portable chairs, travel kits, and more are some of the products that fly off the rack almost instantly. Number two, electronics. Electronics goods and items have become an everyday requirement today. Number three, beginning and lingering items. Beginning and lingering items are essential for movement across the world. Number four, mobile accessories. In today's age of technology, mobile phones rule our lives and are a significant part of today's tech-savvy youth. And number five is fitness wear and accessories. Number six, healthcare supplies. Number seven, home decor items. Number eight, designer clothing. The fashion segment is one of the most popular e-commerce categories among online shoppers. It is projected that the global revenue in the fashion category will reach 66.4 billion dollar by the end of 2021. More precisely, the largest segment of the fashion category is apparel. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.